I just got done my workout and I am headed to the grocery store. I'm gonna make Italian sausage vegetable soup tonight. I love soup, especially when it's freezing out, and it's really healthy, high in protein. And then there's spinach and things like that, which have a lot of vitamin C because I'm just getting over the flu. So I'm gonna do that, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my nightly routine. I try to keep it pretty healthy, except for on Fridays and Saturdays, because that's when I like to just have some fun. Everything is in moderation because I've done every single diet, and literally if I don't treat myself every once in a while, I get burnt out on it and I get grumpy and I get hangry. Well, I'm gonna get my dinner ready now. It's about 11:30. I love quick dinner meals that I can do because I hate cooking at night, because that's when I get the most tired and I have the most energy in the morning. What? Oh, you naked? Okay, I'll be right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm basically gonna get it all ready, and again, I hate cooking. It's not my favorite. So I'm gonna use my food processor to chop the onions, carrots, and celery. This is such an easy meal. And again, what? What's the matter? Oh, it's okay. Brand new, got a stain. That's okay. You wanna take them off? Okay, go ahead. But I hate cooking, so I like to do everything the easiest, quickest way. So I'm gonna make sure I use my crock pot, got my food chopper thing. So I'm gonna chop the onions and the carrots and the celery. This is the best part because it's so easy. All I'm doing is sauteing the Italian sausage with the chopped onions, and then I'm going to add in a little garlic and a little dried oregano. Then I'm gonna throw it all in the crock pot, and I'm done cooking dinner. My kitchen will be clean later. Life is good. Then all I did was transfer it into the crock pot. I threw in a little tomato paste, some baby carrots, and some sliced potatoes. I used the red potatoes, and I'm basically done. And about 15 minutes before you wanna eat it, that's when I'm going to throw in my zucchini and my spinach, and I have a full cooked meal, and I love it because I'm telling you guys, I really, really despise cooking dinner, especially now that Mel's in first grade and she has more homework. She has like an hour of homework every single night, so I don't have time to like make a 5-course meal, and I'm sure you guys all feel the same, whether you have kids or not, unless you're into cooking and that's your thing, but it ain't mine. I'll leave the whole recipe link for you in the description if you guys want to try it out. I cut corners too. I love cutting corners, but I use the bouillon cubes, the chicken ones, and I just throw these in instead of like buying the beef broth because they're expensive. Those like big packs are pretty expensive. I've had these for a year, so I ain't mad about it. Using the Uncle Bud's hemp body wash, which I've been loving. It's made from pure hemp seed oil, and it's full of natural supplements. I love it for my psoriasis and my dry skin. It has really changed my life, honestly. I feel like you guys would absolutely love it. So it's made for all skin types. I just lather it in and really scrub. I definitely make sure to get my back and my chest after I work out so I do not break out. I'm using the coconut smell here, and it reminds me of vacations in Key West. It smells delicious. And here I'm using the Uncle Bud's massage and body oil. I love this oil. I'll get into more detail in a little bit, but I'm just going to put it all over my legs and my knees and back behind my thighs where I get the worst psoriasis. Since I've been using this, my skin has been so incredibly soft and silky. I really, really like it, and it's nice too if you work out and you get any type of sore muscles, aches, pains, anything. So I'm all done showering, and what I showed you is I even use that cleanser that I used in the shower. I use that even to wash my back or my chest or anything, even if I'm not showering really quickly when I get done the gym. That way I can prevent, oil buildup and breaking out on my back. And that massage oil is insane. It feels so good on your muscles, especially if you get really sore muscles, which I had leg day today. I did a lot of leg workouts. I did spin, and my calves get really, really tight, and especially my knees and my joints and my ankles, because my hips and my knees are not all aligned right. My knees actually curve in. I got made fun of a lot when I was a child for it. They used to say I walked like a duck, but whatever. So if I do anything that's a little bit more intense, that's leg wise, I get really, really tight. So I love, 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 love that oil for that reason. So I always make sure I lather up on that when I'm done doing any intense workouts that could like hurt my joints a lot. And then I also like it because you guys know I have psoriasis on the back of my thighs, so I really like it too because it makes my skin really, really soft. And another thing that sucks is when I work out a lot, obviously I sweat, so I lose a lot of the hydration. So if I don't moisturize as soon as I'm done working out, I can have a little flare up. So I really, really enjoy the massage oil for that. So if you have any psoriasis issues or sore muscles or aches or anything, definitely recommend it. I'll leave the description below. So I don't do this every single night, but I try to do it at least like twice a week just to keep up with my teeth. I've been using White with Style for a while now. You guys can check back to my older videos. I have been using it for a really long time. I like the fact that it's really effective and it's only $28, which is way cheaper than the Crest ones you see in Walmart, like the strips. So what I like to do is I like to do a lot of things at one time, obviously, because I don't have a lot of time on my hands ever. So what I do is I like to whiten while I do my other business. So it's really easy. You just take the whitening serum, you put it in your trays, and then you pop the trays into your mouth, and then you turn on your little light and boop, and you're good. You're whitening and you're doing a million other things at one time. All done whitening, and I love it. It keeps my smile nice and just fresh, and I like the fact that it doesn't burn my gums. I've had that issue with a lot of other whitening products. I can't take it. And I've actually been using this oil too for my eyes, my under eyes, and I just kind of tap it underneath. Feels really, really soothing, and I've noticed that my under eye area has not been half as dry since I've been using this. So I really, really like it. I feel like it has lots of multiple purposes, and I've actually been using it too for my lips. I've been putting it on my lips a lot too because my lips get really, really dry. I think I've been using it for everything because I really, really like the smell of it, so I just kind of want to put it all over. So yeah, it feels really, really nice, and I like that it doesn't clog my pores. I usually stay away from a lot of oils because they'll clog my pores, but this one doesn't do that to me, and it hasn't left me broken out or anything like that, so I really, really like it. I'm just going to use a little Rodent & Fields toner. I love, love, love this toner. It doesn't dry my face out, and it actually leaves my face toned instead of red and irritated. And I just put it on the spots where I notice that I might get a little bit red, which is kind of on my cheeks, around my chin, and up into my forehead. Then I'm just going to use the Rose Gold Rescue by Bliss, and this is their cream for sensitive skin. I really, really love this one. It's really nice. I like how it smells good. It's nice and it's thick, and it doesn't clog my pores again or leave me all broken out. So I just kind of like push that into my skin. And this is where I would do my red light treatment, which lasts about 20 minutes. I'll do it 20 minutes on red, and then I'll do about 20 minutes on yellow. Sometimes if I have like a little bit of a breakout or pimples or whatever, I'll do 20 minutes on the blue instead. But this is pretty much my nightly routine. If you guys want to see a special video of when I derma roll or my actual when I do face masks or anything like that, like my special night, which I do try to do like twice a week, let me know in the comments below. And I love you guys, and I'll leave all these products below for you if you guys want to check them out. So